It's common to start a residential house plan with a similar plan found on the internet. The problem with these plans on the internet is that the sizes and scales are difficult to use on purpose, so that you are encouraged to purchase those plans. I have AutoCAD running in the background. My AutoCAD units are set up to be architectural, and it's a blank drawing. So here I've found an online floor plan similar to what I want to end up with. I right-click on the image and select Copy. Then switch back to my AutoCAD application and select Paste. I use the origin 0,0 to place the image. Next, I zoom into an area where I know the length of a wall and draw a line along that wall. I use the scale command and select the line and the image. Here I use a crossing window. For the base point, I use the origin 0,0 and I use the reference option. I select both ends of my line and then type the value for the length of the wall, which is 10 feet, and press enter. Now I can use the AutoCAD dimension tools to find the length of any wall. This has scaled the entire image to be full size. So I can place dimensions. I'm going to set my units or my dimensions to architectural as well. And I'm going to round them to the nearest inch. No carpenter is going to hold a fraction of an inch. And now I can measure anything I like using my AutoCAD dimension tools. If you have any questions or need any more help, please give me a call or send me an email. Thanks.